Ka Sorkar Jela Meghalaya Langbau Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs Ubak Bantai Dor Lengdo Rengkat Nongialehkai Jongka Meghalaya Table Tennis Association Rengkat Ru Ubak Robert G Lengdo Obdu MLA Barim ke Jela Kipa ye ke Khobor Jingsngewlem Syakibah yang asam jong Nongialehkai Table Tennis Jong Jela Tamilnadu Ubalangat hak apot jinja aksiden hasenong Syang Bangla Hariboy District Uvishwa Dina Dailan Ubadang Khat Pras Nem Kerta Kat Bodang Tumu Benwan Senong Ba Shelong Lengba ka Surok GS Road. Haka Jingpli ya ke tournament table tennis balapanian da ke Sorkar Jela ke bolong kumsi benta ban rakai jingdap basan pos nem jong ke Jela Meghalaya kalasyam ya gene ke Jingsongsi ke bakrau ha ke Jela bat ha ke bakum gene ke por ka Sorkar Jela kalapa ya ke Kerwok Jingsngewlem sya ke ying kasem jong teu Samla ubade banwan ya sim benta ha ke Jingkhlad ba prapolai jong ke Senior National Table Tennis Championship hanong ba Shelong. Hakane ke singi wala sedang ya kene ke tournament la Pynlong ya ke Jingsngapjar ke bashi Minit uba metba lengdo obade lampang jong yeng dor ba thawan ke Jela Meghalaya rengkat ba uba bantai dor lengdo obade menteri obade pe ya ketenat Nongialehkai jong Sorkar Jela kilapha ya Khobor Jingsngewlem sya ke bahaya ngasem jong teu Samla wala khlatno.
She also passed away. So may I call for everybody to just stand up please and we'll have a few moments of silence for Master Vishwa, great Master Vishwa. I was shocked to receive a very sad news yesterday in the evening about this very unfortunate and sad incident that took place in Bangla, about the accident which took place where one of the participants from Tamilnadu, Mr. Vishwa Dina Dayalan, who's just an 18-year-old boy and who is also a very promising player, and where his car met with an accident with another truck and where he has to face the untimely death at this very young age. I also would like to take part with others in condoling my deepest condolences to all the family members of Mr. Vishwa, and also my condolences to the entire team from Tamilnadu.